Bilang isang miyembro po ng Lakas Party, ako po syempre masaya po ako na yun po ang ninanais ng ating mahal na Pangulo. Given na from the beginning, during the campaign period, his message was all about unity. And so it is really just appropriate na under this, I guess, a coalition alliances between the parties, di ba po, na we continue on that path of unity for the sake of progress, for the sake of development in our country. Kaya naman po kami, ako po, on my part, being a member of Lakas, ako po ay masaya na yun po ang kagustuhan ng ating mahal na Pangulo. But of course, I have to defer to the leaders of the party, of course, our President, Speaker Martin, but I'm sure members of the party are very happy with what the President has mentioned.